Hello, students. Welcome back to Pearls Excel and to our molecular spectroscopy series. Today, we are diving into lesson number 2. Let's get started with Introduction to Electromagnetic Radiation. Definition: Electromagnetic radiation nothing but concept of light. So, light is consists of two components. That two components are electric components and magnetic components. Both the components are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, light is known as electromagnetic radiations. So from this image it's clearly seen that how these both the components are travel in space. So, according to wave theory, these electromagnetic radiations are transmitted by motion of waves means these radiations having wave nature. Therefore wavelength, frequency and wave number are the very important terms in case of electromagnetic radiation. So let's discuss each term in detail. So first wavelength, it is the distance between two successive crests, maxima, or trough, minima. From this image, you can clearly understand the concept of wavelength. Wavelength is denoted by symbol lambda. Units of wavelength are nanometer, angstrom and meter. So the relationships between these units are outlined below. Next term is frequency. Definition: number of waves passing through a certain point in 1 second means frequency. Frequency is denoted by symbol nu. Frequency has units second inverse or hertz. So for better understanding see the below image. Further let's understand wave number. Definition: number of wave in 1 meter distance are called as wave number or wave number is reciprocal of wavelength. Wave number is denoted by symbol nu bar. Wave number has unit meter inverse or centimeter inverse. After understanding all these terms, let's understand their mathematically relationship with each other through these equations. Where frequency is velocity of light divided by wavelength. Where velocity of light is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Next wave number is reciprocal of wavelength. So put this equation in frequency equation, you will get frequency is equal to wave number multiplied to velocity of light. Further energy of radiation is defined as a h nu or h nu bar c, where h is the Planck's constant having value 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule per second. Further entire things will be explained as a quantization of energy. Quantization of energy is explained by the theory known as Planck's quantum theory of radiation. Planck's quantum theory. According to this theory, energy or radiation is absorbed or emitted not in continuous manner but to small packets. These packets are known as quanta. Each quantum has energy equal to h nu, where h is Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of radiation. And their mathematical relations are mentioned below. Next theory is Bohr frequency condition. When the molecule is changing its energy by delta E, then this difference in energy is equals to h nu. This statement is called as Bohr frequency condition. That is, E is equal to h nu. Finally, overall interconversions of all the units mentioned below. I hope you clearly understand the electromagnetic radiation concept. So thank you so much watching this video. Next we'll start with lesson number 3.